recording.
All right. We are leaving the Chirahela Market in Tellico Plains, Tennessee. This is the Chirahela Skyway. The Skyway is closed. With the rains, the Skyway got washed away in some sections where the water goes underneath the road, and it washed the road away, and there are a few rock slides. So as you can see by the sign right there, the Skyway is closed. There are 4 of us on this trip, and we're running to the Deals Gap store for breakfast. We're going to make a left here on 360. 360 is a pretty crappy road. It's another one of those roads that Tennessee needs to put some tax dollars into resurfacing it, because it is really bad. They haven't done anything to this road in many years. There's 4 of us. The first bike is a Ducati 959 Course. The second bike's a 2023 GSXR 750. Today I'm riding 2 up on a 2014 Honda VFR Deluxe, and behind me is a Kawasaki Versys. The 2 bikes in front of us will probably not be riding with us much, but we'll catch up to them at the Deals Gap store. Tell you what, on a Sunday morning, the Christians are the worst drivers on the planet. We won't be doing a lot of illegal passing. There's a passing zone right here. There was no need to pass on the double yellow. This road is terrible. It is so bumpy. It's just all kinds of jacked up. You can see the lines. Those lines you see on the pavement, you can feel them underneath the bike. That's what happens when you hire the lowest bidder to seal a road. They didn't even repave it. They just put it's kind of like a chip seal. When they did it about 12-15 years ago, they just sprayed tar and put some kind of aggregate down on top of the tar. And this is what you get. Potholes everywhere. And again, this is another really pretty morning. Shooting these videos in 4K, it takes me longer to upload the video and have YouTube process it than it does for me to actually shoot the video. Well, let me know in the comments if you're watching this, if you prefer me to shut up while I'm riding, just listen to the wind noise and the sound of the motorcycle, or if you want to hear, details about what's going on during the ride. Either way, I'm good with it. Got a BMW GS.